Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy here, Dr. T, Dr. TT, Dr. Meme again. And today I'm going to talk about F1 visa. I have a couple friends. They keep asking me, how did you get your visa to United States? So I came here with F1 visa. One thing, you need to be ready. Do your research about university, first thing. Second thing, be ready for the document. Third thing, be active on email. And then when the university accepts you to come here in America, fourth thing, you need to apply for F1 document. Another thing important, don't delete any document you receive. Do not delete any document you receive. The first thing I did is like to know what major I'm gonna take it. Before searching it, you need to know what the major you're gonna study. That's the first thing, number one priority. The second thing, which city do you want to go? Here in America, there is a lot of city, there is a lot of states, but it's the range of the money it's different. Like you may come stay in Chicago, and you may come here and say like, oh, I want to go to study to New York. I want to go to study in Philadelphia. I want to go to study to Minneapolis. So the range is different. Like in how? So the school fees might be a little bit cheaper when you go out of the city. Like when you go to study to New York, it's expensive place. Means that the rent it's so expensive. For my advice, if it's your first time to come here in United States, I might tell you to choose a place which it's so affordable and you can handle. So just what I mean is, don't choose. I want to stay to New York because you know New York it's a fancy place. So the whole fancy place also it's expensive. That's the first thing. Don't say I want to stay to Vegas, Las Vegas. I want to study in Las Vegas. Everybody know Las Vegas. It's shining city. So it's a little bit expensive. So just do your own research, and you will know which state is a little bit like affordable. The second thing is to do application. Most of the people they don't know how to do application by themselves. I recommend you do everything by yourself. Everything it's super easy when you do by yourself. When you give another person to do it for you, one thing he might charge you extra money, which like it's there's no need. Most of the school here in America, the the lowest money you can pay for do application it's $20, and the highest money you can pay for doing application is $85. That's the highest, and the lowest it's $20. Some of the university it's free. You're just applying it. It's free. But when you give that thing to a person to help you to do application for that, they're gonna charge you extra money. They're gonna say application fee it's $100, which is free. And also they're gonna choose you really bad university according to their experience. Like because I have already applied 10 people to this university, okay, for me it might be easy to apply you to the same university, and then they're going to put you in a really bad university. So I'm not saying all the United States universities are bad, but I'm saying like you're gonna come inside the university and then you will never like it. So like, oh, what the shit is this? Like I didn't expect university to be this, but I expect university to be this. So the better thing to do and the good thing to do, just do all the application by yourself. It's taking a time. You need to sit down to write couple notes, to do some research, and to start doing application. But wherever you start, like at the time you start doing application, everything is easy. Everything is easy. I'm telling you, do application by yourself. That's the first thing. The second thing, be ready for documentation. Like you need to have a lot of documents. I'm not saying a lot of documents, but if you have it, you need to prepare all of your document to be ready because they're gonna ask some documents. They're gonna ask the email. It's the first priority for them. So be active on your email. Make sure you have data all the time, every day. You need to have a data because they're gonna send you the email. They're gonna ask you questions. Don't miss those email. When you miss those email, means that you will be rejected. So be ready for that. Whatever you're applying, like now I apply the school, I need to be ready to have the the data bundle, or I need to have the Wi-Fi all the time so as I can read the email. It's anytime. According to your country and here in the United States, there might be a little bit different of time, different. You need to be ready because if here it's night, there it's morning, and then like the time you sleep, here it's morning means that that's the time they're gonna send you the email, and the time they send you the email, you sleep. So make sure every day when you wake up early in the morning, the first thing to check it's your email. It's the second priority. The third priority, it's when you got, like when you get the university, like the university accepts you to come here for study. Be prepared for another step. You need to apply so as they can send you the uh, F1 document. Instead, the school, they will send you the document which explain which major you're gonna take, which explain how much you're gonna pay, which explain if you have a scholarship, like how much scholarship they granted you. That like you need to apply for that. They will never send it to you direct. You need to apply so as you can get it. So that document it's gonna help you when you apply, the when you do the appointment for your interview in embassy. So just all the document which you see it's really important for you. Make sure you save those documents. Don't delete. Save or print it. Put somewhere safe. Make it straight and clean. Don't delete any document which you think it's important for you, and don't delete that document. Print, put it in your fresh, like clean somewhere, save it. Like this is the document straight from the university, and this is the document I have it. Another thing, some of the university they're gonna ask you to do English exam. He might be TOEFL or he might be IELTS. So for the most African country, they are doing TOEFL or IELTS. So like, and all the exam, it's 1 day exam. For those who doesn't know how that exam is, for the next video, I will explain, like I will categorize what are you gonna do or what are you gonna or see when you go to do the exam. So just be ready for the next video. So one thing you need to be ready. Do your research about university, first thing. Second thing, be ready for the document. Third thing, be active on email. And then when the university accepts you to come here in America, fourth thing, you need to apply for F1 document. Another thing important, don't delete any document you receive. Do not delete any document you receive. Thank you so much, and I hope you're gonna watch another video and have a good time. For those who didn't subscribe, just subscribe for more video like this. Thank you.